play ignorant.
Did we only have one tub for the three of them?
No, there one's inside the other because they take up too much room.
Oh, okay.
This is the same area to get a crab? Same area?
No.
No, it's different?
Different area. Right in where the ferry is.
Yeah.
In Departure Bay, that's where we crab.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There'll be a crab trap or a prawn trap coming up pretty soon. Oh, it's going Aussie. Oh, back again. Doesn't know what to do. See one?
What's that?
Diyan sila kumuha ng... Ayan pala sila kumuha ng sayan.
Rod forward, all that.
Yeah, it makes it easier.
Rod. Forward. Like that. For now. Then we'll move them over to your side later.
Here comes one. Ooh, nada.
None?
None.
Holy shit.
Empty.
Empty. Unless that guy pulled them.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows? Right?
That is a small fish.
I like to say, they look like they're in the same spot.
Now they look like they're in the same spot, but that
No,
guy
but
could have
it's-
marked them and then dropped
Got a
them.
fish in there.
Fish.
Yeah, Larry or Leticia said that. Saw a fish.
It's empty.
That's unbelievable.
Well, this is
How could this get fished straight out?
not that fast. There's got to be prawns here. None in that one? One. Oh, no, a fish.
It's a fish.
Yeah.
It's a fish.
That's not good. We're not having a good day so far. We'll see. Next one.
You didn't bring any bananas.
Bye, fish.
No.
You didn't bring bananas in your lunch, did you?
No. Okay.
Why, banana is a bad luck?
Yes, that's what they say.
Oh. But no banana.
You gotta watch the tip.
Yeah.
Okay, Larry.
Yeah, just take it easy. I'll get these dealt with here soon.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little ways away. Where is that yellow one?
That one.
Oh, yeah. Well, I hope we get some in these ones.
Yeah.
You never know. Might get totally skunked plus a lost ball, a tuna string, and a clip.
And a snubber.
Yeah. And a bunch of gas. Quarter of a tank of gas.
What kind of fish that, Daddy? Small fish.
He's a bottom fish
Yeah.
of some sort, and I forget what they call them.
Alright.
Ready? Okay.
Nandyan yung isa. Sana may laman.
Should be inside you any second here. Okay. Let's see what happens here now. Oh, you didn't give me much. That's okay. That's good. Start her up. Two in this one, eh?
Yes. That guy has got a red buoy beside him, so he must be looking for prawns over there. This hole's fished out.
Well, who
Maybe.
knows?
You know? I'm surprised not a one. Last time we were here, we got lots.
Yeah?
I think we kept 280, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we had over our limit.
Yeah, he's got to be prawn in there. It's too deep for crab. He's that. Although you can get crab at 600.
If they're all empty, we've been raided. We didn't even get one in those two traps, right?
Well, and there was absolutely no cat food missing. Like if there was prawns in there, the cat food would be almost like half gone.
Yeah.
Maybe even empty. They were both completely full.
Was that right? Okay. Were they right side up or upside down?
Right side
With
up.
the holes?
Right side up. Holes up.
Holes up? Okay. Yeah, okay, I
Lean
understand.
upside down and then I flip it over. And there's too many people know about this one.
Yeah, I think so too. That guy's just doing prawning. That's all he's doing is sitting there drinking beer and prawning. We would have been better off doing that today.
They're big enough beer though.
No.
Well, you don't know. You check it out.
Yeah, that's right. There's the green one. Yeah, it comes up on its own.
Green and the blue. All the challenge stuff is too stupid.
Yeah, that new stuff that we got, what color is that? Yellow?
That's sort of a weird color, isn't it?
Yeah. Different, that's for sure. See one? fish. More fish.
Starfish.
And a starfish.
Oh, so
I
empty.
think we've raided.
I think so. I'll show you that crab or that fish. Cat food.
It's empty. Ah, kailangan balik kasi maliit. Hindi yung kinakain. How come the starfish come inside?
Starfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's hard to get inside. This is a small,
He crawl in.
small
Yeah.
hole.
Yeah, they can get in through almost anything. You'd be amazed how small an area they can get in.
Mm.
This place got hit hard.
One prawn. One
Ah.
prawn. That's unbelievable.
Let him go.
Huh?
Let him go.
Throw them in the bucket for now.
Huh.
One prawn. That's unbelievable.
This is your first time I experience no prawns.
Well, no, we've had no prawns before, but
Not really none, I don't think.
not many.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if we've ever got actually stumped on them, have we?
Only one prawn.
Here. See this cat food? Nothing's been into it. There was one
Yeah.
prawn in there.
Yeah. All right. What happened?
Dump the cat.
I get that.
Try.
Last more, one
Well, you never know.
more.
Maybe this one will be the one.
Yeah.
Or that guy pulled our traps and put them back.
That cat food will be gone if the prawn sat in there for any amount of time. They're not, at least partially gone. Mostly gone. That's the first thing they go for is those cans. They can't get at the other stuff, but they can get their little feelers in those cans and empty them right out.
Yeah.
Yes, that one looks like he might have got in a couple of spots. See that one prawn that was in there? There's a couple that aren't quite full.
Okay.
The other ones are all full.
Well, it's quite amazing. How are you doing there? You just about ready?
Just about.
Wow.
I'm ready.
Okay, just a minute or so.
Ready for Freddy.
Let's get ready for lunch.
You're not ready. You haven't got these buckets separated.
Buckets, I got the buckets. Water in them and everything.
These buckets.
Oh, that's my job?
Of course.
I thought it was your job.
I gotta get everything else, so that's gonna be yours.
I thought it was your job.
Next time, give me this.
I thought it was your job.
Give me one eye.
Yeah. I gotta be told every day. Old guy, forget.
You said you're gonna accept you're
I
old.
think he's Dutch.
Wooden shoe, wooden head, wouldn't listen.
Wooden shoe, wouldn't listen.
One prawn.
One prawn, stupid.
Yeah. That sucks. Up where your feet are.
Come on up.
Come on up.
So you're surprised if no prawns for the
Well, it's
last
a long ways to come for no prawn and no fish.
no fish. Yeah.
It's better than sitting at home and doing yard work.
Well, it is. Than home watching TV. playing solitaire, watching Captain Kangaroo.
Smoking cigarettes, watching Captain Kangaroo.
Now, don't tell me.
Nothing to do.
Counting flowers on the wall. That don't
Playing
solitaire till come.
solitaire.
51. Smoking cigarettes and watching Captain Kangaroo. Got nothing to do. Okay?
Jiggly.
Yeah,
Still alive, but
got a big one on.
Oh, it's prawns. Wiggling in there.
You never know. Maybe this will be the lucky one.
just only 2 because I have 1.
Yeah, well, if we don't get any more, we're throwing him overboard.
Yeah,
It's going to be his lucky day.
yeah.
Pretty disappointing.
Yeah, it really surprised me. I was expecting some, maybe not quite as many as last time, but
So Brother Bruce went and threw his traps right in front of that dock there. That's pretty funny, really. And then Bradley got called.
yeah, his phone number was on the
Yeah.
float.
That's
The only
even
time I went
that's
out
even
with him.
funnier.
The only time I ever went out with him, he called me up and asked me when to go. Yeah, sure. You dropped those, and I think I sort of brought it up to him too. I'm not too sure about this. But he said, it sounded, I got the impression he had dropped them there before.
Well, he probably had.
Oh.
I don't know.
Probably nobody said anything to him. But I don't know why they would stop you. As long as they weren't way
Well,
out in the middle there.
They were in the way. They didn't want them there anyhow. I think they mentioned float planes. And, I don't remember all the details.
Gotta be getting close now.
Hard to see now with the sun.
Yeah.
Um,
Can't see one.
it'll come into view.
Oh, here comes the green line.
Oh, that's yeah, that is view.
Yeah, we haven't even got the green line. I thought this one was the all blue one. But I think we did that. We put the green on the end, right? That's
We
good.
got a total of 500 feet on each one.
Yeah.
So there's a crab trap where we put that new line on.
Yeah. And that'll break in over time. Wound it in a few times.
Well, and it's not like you got 500 feet either.
No.
Maybe one coming in soon.
I think so. Yeah.
You got 2 orange.
No, just a couple in there.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, I told you it's a 2. 3, I know 3. Here's a small one.
That's that line.
Yeah, let's go to the drop on it.
That's okay. Go ahead.
Oh, I get
You might have 3 or 4 to eat.
Good.
maybe.
Oh, it's
One of these days,
dead.
Well, we didn't get lucky for sure. But I wonder if the commercial guys came in here and cleaned them all out.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. It is possible, I suppose. Just to clean them out so much.
It's pretty disappointing.
Fish.
Yeah, we got a fish.
No prawns.
And one prawn.
Oh,
2 fish and 1 prawn.
what kind of fish is a big eye?
Hello, dogfish, baby dogfish. They're baby mud sharks, aren't they?
I don't think so.
I think they are.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
A shark.
yeah, mud shark.
You got a spline for one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to bother.
Tinapon na yung isda.
Oh,
Kasi
there's
maliit.
no problems going here then.
No prawns. I have
I
one.
thought there
I
was
just
one.
Yeah, it's a fish.
Oh, it's a fish?
It's a fish.
Oh.
Okay, what do you want to do? You want to keep those 4?
No, I don't know.
No, let them go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that one guys. I think it's dead.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Bye bye you.
Won't even give you a mouthful.
Yeah. Okay. Wala silang kuha. Ito yun lang anim.
I hate throwing things back in the water.
This is your first time.
Yeah. When we got lots in the bucket, I don't mind.
Okay. Bye. Parang
No, nobody really.
the prawns almost empty because every day how many people come over here to catch the prawns. See, more more boat coming.
You can feel the weight of the
Yeah.
can. They haven't been. Nobody's been in them.
Ito yung kasi yung area nila dito yung pinaka the best kuhaan ng pasayan. So, sa araw-araw pa naman siguro na maraming
Well,
kuha yan.
there they go. And they're swimming.
Bye! Oh, tinapon na yung walo ka
Swimming
nga
for
pa.
their lives.
Yung walo na pasayan tinapon lang.
There.
Kasi kaunti lang. So,
You know who that is?
walang kuhang isda, wala rin prawns. So,
Thanks for that together.
surprise tayo kay wala silang.
He bought a brand new one last year. I think it was a white one. Although I don't know if he had white movers. Right.
All right, I'll give you those fishing rods.
Yeah, okay. Here,
Careful.
okay. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.